Hi there. Welcome to week 3. I can't believe it's already week 3. Um, just a reminder that you have 2 assignments this week. One of them is a field experience, and then this other one that I have up on the screen, I hope you can see it, is about teacher placement and planning how you do that. So, one of the things that I wanted to share with you is that when I was a principal, I had a few teachers that had always taught the same grade level and had never even moved out of the room they were in. And when I became principal, I didn't change anything major my first year, but the second year I started shaking things up. First of all, I wanted to, and our book talks about this, I wanted to make sure that grade levels were in the same vicinity to one another, but I also wanted to see. I had observed teachers enough that I noticed that Kathy, even though she had been teaching first grade forever, I knew that she had some really great skills that would be worthy of pushing her to try for fifth grade. And she at first said, I wouldn't mind doing second grade, but fifth grade is such a leap. Well, come to find out, she was made for fifth grade. She just resigned from teaching fifth grade a couple of years ago and went to the district office and is working in finance, which is what she did before she became a teacher. So don't discount the fact that teachers may have the ability and the willingness to change if we tell them that we believe in their role in a different role. So I hope that you all have a great week. I'm looking forward to the discussions in the discussion thread this week, and blessings to each and every one of you. Take care. Bye bye.